Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Still meet again in this channel. In this video we will see a motherboard with the V3471G model, which is damaged because it cannot be turned on. We have repaired this motherboard and solved it, caused by two broken small components. So please watch this video until finished. Don't forget to click subscribe for you who just found our channel. Like and share this video to help more other people. As usual, to start analysis of the motherboard repair, we first do a visual check by paying attention to every part of the motherboard to see if there are broken components that can be clearly seen. Well, this motherboard equipped with a plastic safety, and when we do a visual check we find the melted part. Like being hit by a very hot object. And in this section right above on non-polar SMD capacitor, this SMD capacitor, and after we check using a multitester, it turns out that the resistance between the two capacitor pins, between this pin and this pin, is 0 ohms or shorted. So to make sure the condition is released, then we check again and the result remains the same, shorted. So we replace the capacitor with a normal one. To replace an SMD capacitor like this, we usually use the physical size as a benchmark. Then we trace this capacitor is in the line voltage, how many volts, and we find that it is on the 19 volt V-in line. So this connected directly with this point, V-in line, 19 volt line. So we immediately checked the main MOSFET on the 19 volt line, and it turned out that the MOSFET was also damaged. This is the MOSFET, the main MOSFET that we have replaced with other MOSFET that in the normal condition. The MOSFET in this motherboard, before I replace this, is shorted between the drain pin and the source pin. After replace the SMD capacitor, we also replace the MOSFET, the main MOSFET, with a similar one. This is the P-channel MOSFET. And after replace this MOSFET, I check that other line is in the normal condition and the motherboard can be turned on again and work normally. From this repair process, we can conclude that after we find a damaged component on the motherboard, it is better to explore the components that are directly connected to the components, because it can be damaged too, or even faulty components that we have found are caused by the failure of other components. So don't rush to test after replacing the damaged components that we have found before checking other parts of the motherboard. Okay, I hope this will be useful. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.